Hello friends, my name is Anika Lochan Gupta. Today learn 3-letter words, phonics sounds.
Hello friends, hope all you are safe at your home. Today we will learn about the 3-letter words. In the previous video, we learned about the 2-letter words. Today we will follow the CVC pattern. That is consonant, vowel and consonant combination. So, shall we start, Anika?
Yes, Mama. Shall we start, Mama?
Yes, Anika. The most common mistake done by mostly all of us that we teach our child a 3-letter word by breaking in 3 parts. Like a word bad, we called a b, a, t. This is not the right way. We have to read b, at. For this, your child should know the 2-letter words very perfectly. We will start with the A family, and the first part is AB, ab.
Ab, cab. Ab, lab. Ab, tab.
The next part of the A family is AD, add.
Ad, bad. Ad, had. Ad, lad. Ad, mad. Ad, sad.
The next part of the A family is AG, ag.
Ag, bag. Ag, rag. Ag, tag.
The next part of the A family is AM, am.
Ham. Jam.
The next group of the A family is AN, an.
Can. Fan. Man. Pan. Van. Can.
The next group of the A family is AP, app.
Cap. Lap. Map. Nap. Tap.
The next part of the A family is AT, at.
Bad. Cat. Fat. Hat. Mat. Bat. Rat.
The next part of the A family is AX, axe.
Sax. Tax. Wax. मेरी वीडियो कैसी लगी? अच्छी लगी? प्लीज लाइक, शेयर, सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल में। बाय बाय फ्रेंड्स, मैं छोटा सा लॉलीपॉप